Alright, so here's the cool trick. If you ever want to do like sort of like shiny glossy shit, so if you take a layer and you double click on the layer and you do the layer style, if you go to inner glow and you set like sort of like a nice light blue color, and then you sort of like play with the settings a little bit, what you can get is if you use white, you get sort of like a lightsaber effect where there's just a little bit of a blue edge to your to everything you paint on the layer. So then you can start going in there and then putting like these little like shine spots in there. And if you do enough of this, it really starts to like look really good from a distance. Just sort of like random shapes. See how it's sort of like just having that little bit of blue ring around your shine makes it look a lot less painted. It looks a little bit more organic. That's because like the shine you get on it from nature is sort of like got like a little bit of blue sky around the edge of the shine. So it's just one of those little tricks that's kind of neat. Here's the version I've already been working on, which you can see looks better than that. But I hope that this effect is helpful. Let's see all of my settings here. Yeah, alright, cool.